If you're looking for a beginner-friendly investing app, then this app is worth checking out. It lets you buy fractional shares of stocks, ETFs, and even alternative assets like crypto and collectibles. What sets it apart is its social feed. You can follow other investors too, which makes it more like a community than a trading platform. The interface of this is clean and intuitive, making it great for new investors. It also avoids some of the most risky features like option trading, which adds a layer of safety for beginners. Plus, there are no commission fees. With that said, more advanced investors might find it a bit limited in terms of research, tools, and trading features, but overall, this public app is a solid choice for those who are just starting out or looking to invest with a bit more transparency and action.